Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 12th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla is having a down day today. Second down day in a row. So we are down $30.09. That's minus 2.83%. We closed at 1033.42. Post market, we are down a further $2.92. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. We cannot, numbers mean nothing without context. So the chart is the context. Okay, so we are still in the congestion zone between 1027.25 and 1116.82. As clear as day. So yesterday we went higher here than this green candle than the day before. And now we closed above again 1027.25, but barely. We are just above. Yeah, we are just above. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. It was a pretty boring day, actually. We opened right here, went down, then we confirmed again our support. I don't know it by heart. 1027.25. So 1027.25 was used today. We touched it. We were outside of this resistance. So this is why it became red. It was a support. And now we came back in today. So we came back in today, bounced on 1027.25. And then had some buying pressure here. Look at this, some buying pressure. Then went down second hour, third hour, with below, almost below. Look, almost. This is high precision technical analysis. I'm sorry to say that, but 1027.25. So the third hour, we closed right on it, then touched it also on this fourth hour. Fifth was still underneath it. Sixth went back into it. And now we seems to be bouncing back off of it a little bit. Okay. What does this mean? Let's look at stochastic at 39. MACD broke over bearish. Okay, we broke over bearish again. Does not mean much without stochastic, as I mentioned, and the MI is red. So not much move. Let's go back to the daily chart. Stochastic at 50. So stochastic was at 58 yesterday. It's at 50 today. So stochastic going down and DMI is still bullish. Keep an eye on this support. If we break this, then we can easily test $900. Easily $900. If we bounce on this, let me make it clearer. If we bounce on this instead, then we can start going back up. And 1116.82 is our support. We just need to wait and see what the stock does, because right now it's in a limbo zone. It seems like Tesla has not sold all of the shares that he wanted to sell. So I think people are wary to jump into Tesla in drove. So I'm going to wish you a great weekend. If you are a member, then we are going to take a look this weekend at the weekly chart for Tesla and Palantir. It's only $5 a month. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.